Hi everyone, everybody, 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 everybody. My name is Idema. I'm saying hello from Union Pier, Michigan, on a private beach that is at a beautiful cottage land, which is owned by a family, and it's called Lat's Cottages, right alongside Lake Michigan, as you can see in here right behind me. I'm bringing to a close a lovely, super heartfelt, magical um, birthday weekend celebration. I turned 50 on September 27th, like 3 nights ago, and was able to celebrate it in all of the glory of being in nature, experiencing full range from a rainy, stormy, lightning first night and couple of days, all the way to today, which has also not dried up, but also like risen in temperature from like high 50s to close to 85 degrees to get today. So on my first day here, following the bravery of my nephews, I jumped into the lake with them, and they kind of like tossed me around on a floaty balloon. And so today, I feel like I'm gonna take some newfound courage and go in and sort of like cleanse off the energy of the weekend and really refresh also my spirit. We did some amazing things here with a kind of like a rotating group of friends. So I mentioned my nephews were here, where we enjoyed kind of playing on a tree swing and roaming around in the water and the sand, and just like marveling at the lightning. And then went with some friends on some beautiful like strolls and hikes along Warren Dunes State Park, which was quite active for the body, but also like really soothing for the spirit, just to sort of see how much beauty like there can be in a pile of sand. And we through that hike like past several different portals. So we went from like some very hilly, tall, like particular like dunes, through some like beautiful, very quiet and serene forest areas. So every turn that we made, it sort of felt like we were experiencing something totally different. And then that sort of continued with an amazing dinner in the small town at a crooner bar, and the closing for that night was a magical cacao ceremony that I led with ceremonial cacao that I have from Belize and some from Guatemala too. And following in the traditions of some of the ceremonies that I've seen in my travels around the world, we made prayers, we set our intentions on the night of the new moon. We banished, there was song, there was dance, there was decree writing, and there was the sipping and honoring of the plant itself over a campfire, which was absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. And so the weekend has kind of continued then with just more moments of surprises. We had an impromptu mini yoga session here on the beach, and then also a partner Thai body massage work that we did on each other as well. And as I'm reflecting on all of this now and just kind of like recording it on this video, I feel super grateful how amazing this whole weekend came together. And I think that it's time now to just honor it with a beautiful thank you and a goodbye. we created some amazing moments, and just as the moon kind of waxes and wanes, and we experienced a new moon 2 nights ago, there's a butterfly that just landed like right out of our view. It's coming towards us. I think it's time to sort of let that go and let that be. And I'm going to honor all of that with taking a plunge into the Lake Michigan waters. So you're going to get to enjoy probably hearing me screech. But we'll see how it goes. See you in a minute. Oh my God, that felt really great, but it's definitely cold. So I'm going to say ciao baby as I transmute the energy from this chill and get myself warmed up. See you next time. Follow me on my channel at Juntas. What is my channel? Juntas on this Earth on YouTube. Bye.